Hi viewers, I've got an issue with my car rear wheel. I've got a leaky rim, so I'm going to use this product here. Goop comes with this little tool for taking the inside of the valve out. You need to do this to release the air from the tyre so we can apply the goop. That's the inside of the valve. Need to keep that safe, we don't want to lose that. Just let the rest of the air come out. Now once out we can apply goop. It is quite a thick fluid. It actually contains microparticles of rubber in this suspended in this green fluid. It is quite thick. I only need to apply half the bottle. That's 250 ml. It's a 500 ml bottle. If you've got an SUV, you're going to need to use a full bottle of the 500. For my purposes, I only need the 250. Give it a bit of a shake. Again, quite thick. Need to get it inside the tyre. You'll notice the tyre is rotated, or the valve is at around about the 8 o'clock position. And that's as per the directions on the bottle. That's pretty much more or less half a bottle inside. So we'll use the tool and put the inside of the valve back in the tyre, making sure it's the right way around. And then once that's inside, we'll refill using the compressor and get some air back into the tyre. Just speed this along, you don't need to see 4 minutes of inflating a tyre. Push the straw back in, and then we'll put the tool back inside the straw, store that away in the boot for should I need it for another puncture or another leaking rim. So we're going to fill the tyre to around about 32 psi. You can always put more in and take a little bit out should we need to. And once that's filled, we can take the compressor off. Disconnect it, put the dust cap back on, and then take the car for a spin for about a mile to let the goop distribute inside the wheel, and hopefully that will cure my leaky rim. Thanks for watching. Until next time.